Hey, back again with a cool update, and this time with some cool insights that really surprised us ourselves. And it's about the AI generated report from Soon Pulse that we got yesterday, as you can see. So last time I didn't show it, but this is what Pulse looks like. So you get a sentiment analysis, some summary, and some issues. And then based on those issues, some actions that you can take to improve your operations. And there's a few other configurations if you wanna, improve something else. Yeah, just check out Zoom Pulse. But what I wanted to show you is this here. We never prompted or coded or scripted anything to add a note here in the bottom, and it added this little disclaimer of why there are no issues to be addressed, and that's because all the responses were overwhelmingly positive. So we were quite surprised that it did this and added that point there when we never instructed it to do this. So I think by now, with text generation, etc., you're no longer impressed by just getting a summary and getting a sentiment analysis. I think if you've played around with some AI stuff, then you see this. But these little details that suddenly stand out are really what makes you wonder, like, hey, it looks like, yeah, like there's almost a consciousness. And maybe there is, who knows? Yeah, kind of gives you a feeling like someone is home in the AI, sort of ghost in the shell moment, talking about the anime. Yeah, so I'm curious if anyone else has noticed anything recently that surprises you with AI. And at the same time, if you want to know more about Soon Pulse, check out our website. This is kind of the stuff you can expect. Especially if you have a large team, it's super helpful to just know what's going on without talking to everyone. Yeah, so that's it. And let me know if you noticed anything creepy recently.